Hey boys and girls, sorry about that. I forgot to, I had said that I would review this from Wednesday, which I didn't do at the end of the last video. Yeah, so anyway, so Kim the kangaroo had taken 3 jumps, right? 3 equal jumps and landed on 18. So the question is, how long were each of her jumps? So I figured, I started with 5, 5, 10, 15 didn't work, but 6 did. So here's 6. 12, and then 18. Okay, so that's 3 jumps of 6, right? Is the same as 18. 3 times 6 equals 18, and 18, right? The whole thing divided into 3 equal jumps gives you 6 jumps of 6. Each jump is 6 feet. Okay, so that's how I did it. You can always pause the video if you want to look at that more closely. Same here. All right, I got 4 jumps of 3, landed me on 12. And I got 4 jumps of 5, landed me on 20. And I got 4 times 3 is 12, or 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided into 4 equal jumps means that there's going to be jumps of 5. The length is 5. So 4 5s give me 20. And the last page was here. I got 5 jumps of 6. Here I got 2 jumps of 5. 3 jumps of 8 gave me 24. And 5 jumps of 3 gave me 15. Okay, so again, feel free to pause the video if you need to take a look at that. Your job was to do this yesterday. All right. And this is only to check your work if you find it helpful. All right? Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.